Hi there, thanks for joining me again today for another demonstration. The other day I took some prints off Yupo Paper onto our multifarious. We've got some really nice sort of textured, coloured backgrounds, something to start stamping onto straight away. So I'm going to demonstrate a card today using one of these backgrounds and a couple of our stamps. So I'm going to take one of our fairy stamps and then we're going to ink up her in black in Nocturne. This is going to be VersaFine. VersaFine is great, by the way, for detailed stamps. That's the only reason I use it. It also gives you fantastic solid silhouette image because it's an oil-based ink. So it's perfect for what we use. Okay, so just double check that you've covered that image completely, and then we're going to pop her down in the center there. Give that a good press, let her rest a while on the card and just absorb the ink into the card, and hopefully we'll get a nice solid black image. Okay. So just by letting that rest, she's stamped out really well. Okay, so I'm going to use our new worded stamp and we're going to pick a colour to go around the edge. Decisions. I think we will go with Twilight, but I'm going to stamp off first because it's quite a strong colour. There we go. And you know what? That's all you might want to do. And you see how easy that is by just having that background ready to stamp onto. I am going to carry on. I'm going to go around the edge now using a different colour. So I'm using Colour Box here and then just work my way around the edge. Just want to bring a little bit of depth. Okay, so taking my moon now, I'm going to pop that over the top, and again I'm going to just from the center flick outwards all the way around. And this way we won't get lines as opposed to going that way. It's far easier flicking out this way. And there we go. Okay, so I'm going to pick a couple of larger words now to pop down. That'll just fit on my little block there. And this time I'm going to ink up in the Versa mark. And just pop that word dream down there. And maybe I'll do a couple there. And then we're going to use the word inspire. And then in this corner down here. Okay. So now we need to pick one of our Mica Minerals. We'll use the Emerald Pearl. Picking up a little in a brush, and I'm just going to just dust that over the top. And it just pulls that word out, and I will show you under the camera because I'm not sure whether you can see that or not. I don't know whether I've put any more words there or not now. I've lost them. Okay, I think that's it. I think we're covered. And then taking the brush, I'm just going to dust off okay, so I'm hoping you can see those words if I just angle it, and that just looks so effective. It's a beautiful colour. Again, this is what colour did we use? We used the Emerald Pearl. So that's one of today's demonstrations using the background that I made earlier on with the alcohol inks, taking a print off the Yupo paper. So I hope you enjoyed that, and thanks guys for watching, and see you again real soon. Take care for now. Bye guys.